So a few okay, my mic was up. I hope you can hear me better now. So I just wanted to point out a few of my buyers on US NAS 100. So I'm only going to take a few minutes to round it up, but it is not difficult to see our new week opening gap high and our new week opening gap low. So being that this was the settlement price on Friday and the low of this candle is our opening price on Sunday, so it is the beginning of a new week. So that makes this point in chart a discount level. Okay, so we are actually framing our new week in reference to this gap right here. So anything that is above the closing price of Friday is considered premium, and when price comes down to this settlement price on Friday, we are going to treat it as a discount level to target this buy side liquidity and the high of this candle 2589.5. So today is Monday. There is no serious price action going on, but you can tell that from Monday's opening price that price has been going down, which tells you from a classic open high, open low, high close profile of a classic bullish day is forming on Monday, because on a typical bullish day we are going to see an open first, then a low, then a high and a close. So the open and the low is more like manipulation and manipulation. So you can say that today is actually forming today is forming a profile for a bullish week. So we have seen the open price today, Monday, coming in at, this is Monday, the midnight of Monday is coming in at 24.5 2495.3, sorry, 2495.3 as the opening price for Monday. So the the week is already trying to make a manipulation which will involve price going to the new week opening gap low, which is the same thing as the settlement price of Friday. So we are waiting for that settlement price of Friday that closed at 235.6 in order to position for a bullish position to target Friday's high. So our buy side liquidity is Friday high, and um, our entry point or discount level is Friday's closing price. But Friday's low actually came in at okay. Friday's low actually came in at 2 p.m. that day. So obviously price may want to take out this little low before it attempts going up, but uh, the new week opening gap low is a good level to look for inversion fair value gaps to take price to the buy side. So this was the 1 hour inversion fair value gap. I'll drop to 1 hour. This was the 1 hour inversion fair value gap that got filled. You know, it was actually a, okay, let me not call it a high resistance liquidity run, because it did not take out price here, but you can call it a high resistance liquidity run because it did not complete the the price movements to the buy side, but it has actually filled the orders that is sitting in on this gap. So it is quite easy for price now to go back up because it has filled this upper region. So once price closes the gap here, you are likely to see a push to the buy side. So that is basically it. If you trade on Mondays, I saw a few setups from 7 a.m. from 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. You saw price creating an inversion fair value gap and a breaker right here. So if you were bullish, if you were bearish, sorry, this would have been your bearish order block or your breaker block. Breaker bottom. So this is your breaker. So that will be all for now because I'm not really a Monday trader. I'm just framing out today to see how this week is going to pan out. So this is actually a breaker and a fair value gap, which is a unicorn, right? So there was a breaker and a fair value gap here, which makes this level a high probability setup for those that were looking to hunt this inefficiency to the downside. So that's pretty much it. I'll see you tomorrow at the New York morning session.